Case auto response rules. Case auto response. Case auto response. One. Yeah, it's okay like that. Let me make it active. Let me save. Then case auto response now, I can now say, let me add entry for this case auto response. Let me add entry to it. Then sort by one. It's just almost the same way you do the assignment rule. But in this case now, it's not being assigned to users within the company. The auto response simply means you are getting maybe an email from your website that there is a case. You want the auto response to acknowledge that case in form of message immediately, automatic, being set up by you or configured by an administrator to send a kind of acknowledgement email that, okay, we've gotten your case, we're going to attend to it very soon, resolution will be this and this and that, and thank you, and those. Then that's it. Or you say within the next 24 hours, everything will be resolved. Thank you for your understanding, your patience, and all that. Then that's the kind of thing you do with auto response rule. The auto response rule will just kind of send a response immediately. And let me say I sort it by one. I'm just set up one case like that. And if that case is coming from you can also see if the case number is so. That means you already know the case number of that particular. Then case reason. I want to use the other one. Case description. Yeah, if case priority is equal to high, if the case priority is very, very high, then if it has a very high case priority, the response now you want to set up now should go to now specific name, specify the name and address to include on the auto response message line. You can say from the line, the name that, let's say, let me just put my name, email address, reply to address, email template. Now you just pick up the email template that's related to auto response, case notification. Yeah. Oh no, case response. Let me just borrow this one. I don't just want to spend another time creating another template for that. Then just if every other thing is okay now. Yeah, that just it's about that. The simple demonstration on the that one. Yeah, email to case. Let's demonstrate email to case. We have email to case. Email to case. Now, when somebody send email and that email should turn to a case within your platform, that's a scenario like that. So in that case now, you can make use of, yeah, these are kind of instruction about it being set up from a letter, then it lands on your Salesforce platform or the developer hub platform immediately. When it landed like that, you can actually say, let me continue with this one. I want to route. I want to use routing address. Everything here is okay. I don't see I want to edit any other thing. Enable HTML email. So if HTML email you want to enable, you can edit this one and say you want to edit that one. In case us to email, just a kind of simple email. Enable HTML email now will make you to kind of have another route in terms like the one we use for the web to case or something. Now, let me cancel. Let me cancel this. Let me cancel this. So let me say new now. Email to case test. Let me use it as an email to case test. The email address. Which email address I will use? Let me use let me check our email address now and pick up one and use so that somebody who gets the email. Let me try choosing. gmail.com. So I'm trying to see if Sister Dolapo would get an email concerning email to case routing address. Save these email headers, the email headers I use, email to case. Then check the tags from email, create tags from the email tags. Then let's say in progress, not sorted. User case owner now. The user that this case that is coming will be the owner on your platform. Let's say it's me, then let's say I pick Jack Rich. Then I say case origin. It's originating from. Why do they give us other options? We are doing email to case, and then they include phone and web. It's supposed to be only email now, as they still have other pick list. Let me click save now. Let me click save. Let me say, okay, the email routing address will not be activated until it is verified. You must verify the email address to ensure the system security. Click to sign in. So, Sister Dolapo, I want you to confirm if you get an email address and email to case. So, if you get it, at the end of the day, it will be routed as a case. If you verify it, check your email.
I got one.
Okay, then click on that link now. I think you will be able to. Now, since you verify it, is it verified?
That's what I'm doing.
Okay.
So, yeah, I just did. I just verified it. Thank you for verifying the email
Okay.
routing address. The email routing address is now verified.
Oh, good. Thank you. Now let's check now the case about us. What's about accessories? All open cases. Then now, if we go to all open cases now, we should see that let me refresh. Open refresh. Once you verify that case, it should just be here as a form of case testing. Now, if that is done, that is how you route email to case. The email to case, that case will come like that. Somebody will get the email and you verify it. Then from there, it will be routed to normal case as a case to your platform automatically. That's how to get it done. Alright, that's a wrap up for today's video. I hope you have picked up some valuable insights and actionable tips in Salesforce ecosystem. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Give this video a big thumb up. If you found it helpful, I'm Asikola Oshirikan and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.